You want to say something to Daddy? Say hi to Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Don't you want to say something to Daddy? Anything else for Daddy? Hi, Daddy. Hi. Huh? Yeah? Yeah? Is that it? Mm-hmm. Okay. Say bye-bye, Daddy.